Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Raj. Today I bought a smartphone gimbal for my YouTube channel. This is called DJI Osmo Mobile 3. So let's do the unboxing first. Right now the Model 5 is in the market, but I bought this older version because the price went down. Not only that, I found it on sale for $85 plus tax. It's a Canadian dollars. So I bought it right away. I don't know if there are any big difference between the latest model and this, but I like this model. I know about this model, so I bought it. I will leave that link in the description, so if anybody interested to buy, you can buy it. I've noticed the price was going up and down, so check the price. When it's on sale, it's a good time to buy it. So if you're interested, you can click the link and then you can get it from Amazon. This gimbal works with iPhone or Android. The very first thing, you have to download the app in order to use it. So easy way, they have attached a sticker here with a barcode. So you just scan that barcode with your phone and that will take you to their website download link, and look, you can download it from there. The app name is DJI Mimo app, so make sure you get the right app. Or you can go to the Apple Store or Play Store and download it. Once you download it, it will ask you to agree to their terms and conditions, and you have no choice. If you want to use it, you have to agree it. And then follow all the instruction. It will ask you to log in. If it's the first time, you have to register. Don't worry about it. It's very fast process. You just need to give your email address and a password, and once you registered, it will ask you to log in with the same email address and the password. Once you logged in, continue all the steps. At one point, it will ask you to connect the phone to the gimbal. So before you connect, make sure you turn on the Bluetooth on your phone and also turn on the gimbal. To turn on, if you look at the front side, there's an M button. You press and hold this M button until you see this green and the other three lights. Once it's on, so it is connected, and now you attach the phone to the gimbal. Once you attach it, the app will recognize this gimbal automatically and that will connect. Now we are all set. Let me show you how to use this gimbal. I'm using Samsung S9 Plus, so I had to take out the case because the phone is big and it doesn't fit, so I had to take off the case. When you attach the phone, you have to attach in a proper way, otherwise you will have a hard time using it. If you look inside the holder, you see a DJI logo. The D is on the left side, so same side you match the camera. So my phone camera is here, so I'm gonna put it on the same side, and once you insert it and make sure it's steady and balanced. Let's start from the back side of it, and here you see only one button right here. If you ever get off balance or if things are not looking the way it should, you just double tap this trigger and it will bring everything back into focus. If you triple click this, you can switch the camera, the front camera and the face camera back and forth. So that's all this trigger does. Front side of it, you see a round button here. This button is to, you can move the camera up, down and left and right. Let me show you. So I'm going to be moving my hand and see what happened to the phone. There are a few functions on the M button. This is the button to turn on and off. If you press and hold the phone, it's going to turn on, and the same thing it's going to turn off if you do the same thing. The red button, if you press the red button to record and stop, also to take picture. Second function on the M button, if you double click that, you're going to switch between the landscape and portrait mode. See what's going to happen when I double click. See, now it's turned to landscape mode. Now it's turned to portrait. If you do a single click, it will switch between photo and video. If you want to take a photo, you click and it's going to switch to photo, and then if you want to take a video, and then you do the same thing. If you go inside the setting, you can customize it. You can switch, if you don't want to switch between photos and videos, you can make this button as a menu button, so you have an option, but I leave it as photos and videos because that's what I'm going to be using most. So that's all on the front side. Now let's have a look at the left side. So they have zoom in and out button. So if you go up and down, you can do zoom in and out. Let me align the, so you see now I'm off balance, so if I'm going to double click, so it bring it back to the default setting. So now I'm going to do zoom in and out. It's very smooth. You can customize this on the setting, how fast or how slow you want to do the zoom. I left it in the medium speed. And now we are done on the left side. So let's go to the right side. On the right side, you have a charging port. Before you do this setup, make sure you fully charge this gimbal. And also they have a USB port here. So here you can insert a USB and save all the footages. And the bottom you can attach a tripod. When you buy a combo, the tripod comes with it, but I didn't buy the combo. But I already have my own tripod, so I can attach it because it works the same. So you can attach any tripod that you want. So I'm going to just mount it. All right. Basically that's all about these buttons. Now let's get into the app, and then I will show you more functions inside the app. Here you can do hyperlapse and time-lapse videos. At the end I will post a sample video that I've taken from this. The cool thing is the panorama shots. I really like this panorama shot. Let's say if you want to take a picture, if you take in a regular mode, you will only take the area that sees in the front, but in the panorama view, if you want to take the big area in one frame, this is really helpful. I choose 240, so that's going to cover from this side a little bit behind on my left side and all the way to the right side. So see what happens when I do that. So I've selected that 240. See what's going to happen. I'm pressing the record. So he took 7 shots from all the way from here to there and put them all in one frame. So you will see a massive footage here. It's really cool. And if you choose 3x3, what it does, the first shot I took, it took only the middle portion of it. But if you have like wide angle, you want to cover like also the wide angle up and down. So this function is cool because it will take 3 shots on the top, 3 shots on the middle, and 3 on the bottom. So you will have a huge frame. So let's see. Let's take a look. So it's taking the top area. Now it's taking the middle area, and it's going to go to the bottom now. It's generating the picture. Oh wow, it covered a big space, so you can see everything in here. It's so amazing. Another cool thing is a new function they added. It's a clone me, which means if you want you to be in the frame, but you on one frame you want to be in 3 different positions, you just click that. It will give you about 5 seconds for you to be in that position. You stand there and they will take the one shot, and then the camera will move, so you go to that place and stand there. So it's going to take 3 shots and it will put all in one frame. So let me show you. So I'm going to use, it's giving you 5 seconds. 1. It's giving you another 5 seconds for the second position. So now another 5 seconds for the third position. And you will see 3 images of you in different position in one picture. It's really cool. Another thing I really like, this active track. For example, if you want to focus only on one subject or one person, you just point your finger on that person's face or whichever the item that you want to focus on, and select that area like that, and that's going to put that object or the person is focused, and you don't need to do anything. You just set the camera and press record, and wherever that person moves, it is going to track that person and it's going to be in focus only on that person or object. It's really cool. And if I turn on the gesture control, what it does, you place the camera. If you want to take a selfie, and you don't want to be too close to the phone, so you set it here and you show your palm like that, and that will take a picture. It's so cool. Once you're done, you just press and hold the M button. It's going to go back to the default setting, and then you take off your phone. You fold it, and you put it in your pocket, and you can walk out. I really like this quality. It's solid. It won't break easily. It's good, high quality product. You don't have to be a YouTuber to buy this. If you take videos and photos more often during your family functions or in any time that you feel like it, this is a good investment. I really like it. So if you want it, get it. I will highly recommend it. By the way, I will include some footages that I've taken using this gimbal. I'm going to be shooting with my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, so you can see all the footages from this gimbal. Okay guys, that's it for today. I believe this will be useful for some people. If you find it useful, give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, consider subscribe.